Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you did. Eat to me. Your body like speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body like speaks to me.
You gonna order one like that or what?
Nah, I'm good, but thank you though. So good stuff, bro. What you laughing at, my boy? Yo, crazy. Yes, sir. Look at that guy, man. It's not video. It's a video. It's a video. Yes, sir. Motherfucker, let's take a video together.
Oh, it's a video. Happy Thanksgiving.
Let's go. Let's go. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You get that turkey on there, my brother. You already know. Good, sir. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yo. we got ham and fish and steak. All right.
So far the fish isn't very popular.
Hell yeah. That's it. So look at that shit, man. It's my twin. Come on, look at this shit. It's my twin. Look at this shit. It's my twin. Yo, funny, yo, crazy. I'ma take a picture, yo.
Synthesize or
You know what's
you're
up.
gonna come back.
Happy Thanksgiving, yo. Look at that shit, crazy. Look at that bow ass taking a picture and shit. Good sign? Hell yeah. Sandurko. Yes, sir. Oh, Lord. Oh, it's a blur. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Look at that costume on me. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, yeah, I forgot, man. Yeah. Ooh, hell yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving, high energy all the way to the end. We gotta finish it strong. So that's a Thanksgiving video for my work. You know, I'm a 92 go, and you know we got some good food out there. People actually enjoy it, and actually the water is right there. If you can hear, I'm gonna take a shower because I've been laying down, honestly, you know. But I'll be posting more picture and Instagram down below. I mean, I will put my Instagram down below so you can check it out, the picture. And yep, that is for the video for today. I really hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share too, please. Thank you.